Here at Southern Oregon University, this year we'll have worked with over 500 students with disabilities. I work to help determine what academic accommodations will give them equal access and an equal opportunity for success in their classes and in other activities on campus.
What I think in would be more consistent with math than language. It's not a difference in understanding, but a difference in what understanding is tied to. So it's an Asperger's type manifestation. It kind of doesn't fit into any of the boxes real well.
In trying to teach a mathematical idea, it uses some of the same problem solving in trying to do the mathematics, because you have to figure out what it takes to reach that student, what it takes to make the ideas gel for them. Orion's research is harder than some other research areas. There's an area of math called number theory that is known to have some very simple questions that are very hard to answer.
I'm doing non-commutative rings. It's basically doing 2 years of grad school earlier than the classic non-commutative rings class.
He has a clear goal of where he wants to be, and he has used the fact that he is bright to help figure out ways to compensate and ways to make things work.
You have to ask for help. Generally, I take tests that include writing in the tutoring center.
We administer tests on behalf of instructors, and this allows a better testing environment, and the student can truly demonstrate what they've learned. And just a simple thing like that can make all the difference in the world.
Lots of students have different ways of learning and different learning approaches, and one of the things that makes a good math teacher is to know lots of different ways to say the same thing. The fun part of working about him is he's really bright, and he tends to think about things in different ways, which makes me think that maybe his going into research mathematics might be able to look at solving a problem that hasn't been solved.
Everything must be justified. If you can't justify that I can't do it, I'll find a way. I'm going to try and either find a way to do it or find a way to justify that it can't be done. I won't just accept it because someone said so.